What are you saying in there? Are you not gonna go night-night right now? All right, would you like to get up? Tell, say hi, Daddy. Can't wait till you get here. I love camping. Look at that camper face. Hi. You a little sleepy, but you can't go sleep yet? Ah, hi. So, what are you thinking? Get out. Oh yeah. What else do you want to say? Do you like the lake? Okay. Okay.